Every day I have a lot of things fighting for my attention. Of course, all of us do. It can be overwhelming at times because you feel like you have just an endless amount of things you need to achieve. Especially women nowadays, I think they feel like they need to have everything under control, and at a certain point they tend to forget about themselves as a person. When I got to kind of take a step back during the pandemic, I saw the things that I actually really enjoyed and the things I didn't enjoy. And so now that life is beginning to work normally again, I make sure to prioritize the things that are important. As a mom, I want to be able to give the best of myself to my daughter, to my family. And in order to do that, I need to be happy mentally. I need to be good physically, to have the energy. And for that to happen, I need to make sure that I take time to focus on myself. Knowing that you're not supposed to feel guilty if you need to take a step back. You need to re-energize to be able to be better for the people around you. Just even if it's taking time to read your book for an hour, to go for a walk and breathe in some fresh air. It doesn't need to be a 1-hour hardcore workout. So these are things that can do wonders to someone. My health and wellness journey is even more important now as it was before because I have Tilan in my life, which is why I really want to focus on the healthier and better version of myself. And if we're able to install this healthier and better lifestyle for her, then we have definitely achieved as parents. Join the journey. AIA 1 billion.